and we shall start now. This is the page that we discussed earlier. Now, after finishing discussing this page, now I think it's the time to practice, as I said. All the time, guys, if we discuss any grammar rule, the next page is going to be practice. Absolutely, practicing is extremely important just to fully understand the rule, because if there are no practice and exercises, it is really hard to understand the rule. Okay, before we go into details, are you okay,
Exactly.
Rima?
Yes,
Yes.
you are right. Exactly
Yeah.
what you said.
Okay. Before we go into details, now I think we have a small or short discussion about these statements. Now I'm going to read some statements to you, and now you have to agree or disagree with these statements by saying it is true or false, and absolutely you have to give extra information or you have to add comments. Okay. For example, let me show you example number one before we read these statements. Statement number one is lightning never strikes in the same place twice. So notice here that that must be true. Let me use my pen because so that must be true. I've often heard this. It could be true, but I'm not so sure. So notice that here the first speaker said you must because he has already heard about this statement or information, but the next one said could because he is not so sure. Saria is coming. This is really good. Okay, now we have to do the same, guys. Please try the best, as I told you, to use modal verbs as much as you can just to practice using them. Now let me try to read statement number two, which is saying, hurricanes always have ladies' names. What do you think?
What do they mean
That
by
must be
hurricanes?
true.
Huh?
That must be true. I've often heard this.
Wait, Rima. Ibrahim asked, what does hurricanes mean?
هيريكينز هد مثل عاصفة يعني.
Yes,
Okay.
Good evening. It's true.
it's true. Why, Saria?
It must be true.
In Lebanon, I listened about many hurricanes, Laila, Nasma. That's why.
But
Saria.
Saria. Yes, Saria, exactly.
Maybe this year, this winter.
Okay, but guys, why ladies specifically? Why not gentlemen, for example, or men, or something like that? Male.
Maybe hurricanes is a feminine name. Hurricanes.
Hurricanes are. Okay, maybe.
Maybe
It
to
could
get
be.
attention more
Could be.
to the hurricane.
Okay, maybe. Okay, now what do you think of three women have a higher pain threshold than men?
What means threshold?
Threshold, I have to say threshold.
Threshold.
T
Huh?
with T.
Threshold pain means عتبة الألم. Okay, the
it
limit
is
of
higher.
pain.
It is higher than man.
It's higher than men, exactly. What do you think?
Yes, I agree.
Must
It
be
is true.
true.
It must be true.
It-
Yes.
It must. Why must be true?
Especially when she gives a birth to her children.
So you mean that this is extremely painful?
Good
Yes,
evening,
I
doctor.
heard.
Good
I heard
evening,
that
Rashid.
before.
Good evening,
It is.
doctor.
It is. Yes.
It is. But we haven't practiced that, Rima. How can I believe it, this?
How?
Because we don't bring babies to life, for example. So how can
About me, I haven't tried this before.
Of course you didn't.
Absolutely, yes. This is why.
Always
Yeah.
with
You don't. You as a man, you don't have this privilege.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's
Privilege.
for my
I
wife,
loved
I think.
Amazing. I agree with
because
you.
maybe
Ah.
because she can't handle many responsibilities and care about many tasks in the same time.
Uh-huh.
And
So
I think women can have a higher هيدا she can يعني hold more pain than men.
Women
amazing.
are multitasking.
Multitasking creatures. I loved it. You know what I think? You're right,
And also,
Munadi, because yeah.
more patience than man.
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
Guys,
course.
even me, I can't focus on
They can
two
focus
missions.
on a lot of things. Yes, this is
Yes.
what I was saying.
Amazing.
Good
Yeah.
evening. What are you talking about right now?
We are talking about these statements, Rashid. Now I'm reading some statements for you. You have to agree or disagree. Okay? You have to add your comments, but using modal verbs. It must be true, it could be true, or something like that. Like this example, if you...
Since the last session, how long have I been absent? Just a question because I forgot.
Have you been
What?
absent the last session?
What did you talk about last session?
We
Yeah.
have been talking about modals using in the
Yeah, I
past,
was
present, and the
absent.
future, and even
I
continuous. Yeah, I think you have been absent, Rashid.
present and future
Yes.
future and even continuous modal verbs.
By the way, the video is on YouTube if you want to watch it. Yeah, so let me now complete reading the statements. Now we are in the statement number 4, which is saying the sea is blue because it reflects the sky.
It could be true, but I am not so sure because maybe the sky is reflecting the blue of the
Maybe
sea.
the opposite. Rima, some people say that sometimes they see the sea as green, not blue.
Because of
Yeah.
it must because it must
I think it's true because you can catch water and there is no color of water. When it's maybe
I think
the sky, it's the reflect of the sky. Maybe.
Yes, doctor, I have
The reflection of the sky.
I want to just say something.
Yes.
Drinking water or purified water, isn't it clear water?
You
The
said
water
purified, so I think it is, yes, it is clear. It is
But
transparent.
the sea, yes, it's transparent, but the sea is blue.
Because it reflects the sky.
Yes, let me continue. Please let me continue.
It can be the opposite.
Because if the sea had its blue pigment, our drinking water would have a blue pigment also.
So you don't agree, Rashid?
Yes, I do agree. Don't you consider this a very important idea?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Because
I agree, but
Okay.
And it must be true.
It must
Yes.
be true. It must. Okay.
It
I
must
loved it.
be true. Yes.
I think it's related
But-
with
It's
vapor.
related to.
vapor related to vapor
Or
particles,
vapor, steam. I loved it.
steam. Yes.
Or vapor, both of them have the same meaning. Steam or vapor, yes.
They give the water its blue pigment.
Yeah.
This is what, do you mean, Ibrahim, it's because of gas? Like oxygen or something like that?
It's about the particles or pieces of vapor
Molecules.
which
Amazing.
reflect the light of the sky,
Mm,
the color of the sky.
mm, mhm.
I think
Molecules
that
يعني molecules of the water in the water
Molecules.
molecules
Molecules.
I see.
Now we are in
But,
science.
but at night, the sky is black.
And the sea is what? Blue
Yeah,
or
yes, because there is no
dark blue.
dark
Dark
blue?
blue.
because
I
the
think that water reflects everything.
Yes,
Yani
water
if you
light.
look directly to the water, you can see your reflection.
there is
So that's why the rivers where there are a lot of trees, for example, you can see the color of the water is green. It
Good
isn't blue.
point.
Can I add
Because
something?
because
Yes.
And
Yeah.
it reflects the sun. So why
No,
doesn't it reflect the sky?
Mhm.
the color is not tangible. It's about
Transparent.
the reflection of the light. When we have
Yes,
darkness, when we
yes,
have darkness, there is no color.
yes, of course.
Mhm.
This
Amazing.
is the
Good
point.
point.
What
Good
we
Yeah.
see,
point.
we see the reflected light. Like if we are looking at an
what
apple,
do you
Mhm.
we are seeing
We
the
see.
red, the reflected. We see the reflected red, and
Mhm.
when we see the black, there is no reflected color or light.
Yes.
I did not
Yes.
understand
It's
your
UV
about
light,
the
UV light.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, by the
I
way, I
did
think now.
it's
I
about
did
the
I did have
absorption
I
the
have I
absorption
did
of the
not
light.
Yes.
I did
Yes.
not understand your point or what you are talking about.
Ibrahim,
Yes,
do you
we see
mention?
that.
Oh,
Yes,
yes.
the basic color is the white, the natural white,
Mhm.
like
Yes,
the light of the sun.
Mhm.
yes,
Okay.
right.
Okay. When we see an object like a red object, it depends on the structure of this object, which reflects the color, one color of the spectrum, like red
Yes,
or yellow
yes,
or orange.
yes,
We would see the
yes,
reflected light
yes,
with
the pieces are
wavelength
shorter wavelengths and they reach faster.
wavelengths. Yes,
Yes,
specific
yes,
wavelength.
yes, like
Mhm.
blue or orange are shorter than dark colors like blue or
Yes,
green.
yes.
So they
That's
are
it.
able to reach the object faster, so that's why we see an apple red. So it depends.
Yes.
So it depends on light.
Yes, good
Mhm.
point. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Guys, how can I read this word?
Basic,
Yeah,
Basic,
this is
basic,
basic,
basic.
exactly.
Basic.
Yes,
basic.
The S is
basic.
pronounced with Z.
Exactly. With
But
Z.
on
But no.
Translate, Google Translate, sometimes we hear
It depends. It
basic.
depends if it's American or British English.
Exactly. Yeah, and because
Yes.
now we are
Okay.
discussing the British,
It depends on the
I have
dialect
to
of
show
English.
you the British. Exactly. If you notice, guys, number 5 is saying a penny dropped from a skyscraper can kill a person. Do you agree or disagree?
I
I do not
didn't understand.
disagree.
Do you know the meaning
Sky.
of penny? Coin.
A
No.
coin. A coin.
Penny, it's a coin.
Yes. Okay.
That's
Okay.
the smallest.
So, like this
A
one.
Maybe,
sky.
doctor. Yes. Yes, maybe.
Skyscraper يعني نافة.
Like Phyllis.
No.
Yes,
Skyscraper. Do you know the meaning of skyscraper, guys?
ناطحات السحاب.
Yes. It's a really high building. Yes.
Can kill a person.
Mm.
Not so much يعني a coin. Can't kill a
Maybe yes,
person.
maybe yes, because his bad destiny.
It's about the gravitation.
Gravity. Yes.
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 The volume increase.
No, that must
Increases
not
with
be true.
Increases.
No. A coin can't kill a person.
Even if it is dropped from a skyscraper,
Oh,
Amrina.
Maybe with
Even
the
a coin.
maybe,
What is
yeah,
what
but
is
the distance from
but the weight, but the
the
weight
high
of a
distance.
coin can't kill a person.
Mhm,
The weight.
mhm.
It depends on the high.
No,
It
I don't
depends
think.
on the height
No,
or weight,
And I
Brahim.
think on the weight.
On the
Weight.
high.
gravity with
Okay.
the highest gravity with high can kill a person. Yeah.
Sir, but
With height.
there is a
It gives
Yeah, we have
the
height
speed.
and weight.
consider the weight,
It
but you
gives
have to
the speed
consider
of
air
this
resistance.
object.
Doctor, may I add something? May I add something?
Absolutely, you can, Rashid.
You have to consider in this idea air resistance.
Uh-huh. Ah, I loved it. Mhm.
Because the air is pushing the coin. It's like trying to push it up, but gravity is pulling it down. So this is a chain reaction that happens, which slows it down.
I loved that. Yes. Okay. Maybe in the summertime it could kill someone, but in winter it couldn't. Am I right?
No,
Or
it doesn't
maybe.
depend on time. It's all the time. It doesn't depend on the season or the
Okay.
climate or the time.
Okay.
Air
Amazing. Good
resistance is
point.
always found.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fundamental aspect of our planet.
Amazing. Thank you.
This
It's a
is
good point.
Yes.
Yes.
Because if there weren't air resistance, the winds would be so strong that
Mhm.
nobody would be able to move around.
Okay. This is really good. Thank you. Now, what do you think about 6? Hair and nails continue to grow even after death.
I
Could
agree,
be
but
true.
this is a fact.
But
I
for a
read
specific
about
time.
it. Yes, for a temporary period of time.
Guys,
Before
try
the
to
No,
body
read the
I
decays.
don't
paragraph.
agree.
Uh-huh.
Before the body decays.
I don't
It
agree
mustn't
too because
it mustn't be true, Hanadi.
Yes, I don't agree. I don't think that it is logic.
Yes, it couldn't be true.
Could
yes,
Because
it
it's
can be
always
true
it's
because
always related
whole day
it's
it
always
was
related to the blood circulation. So it can't be true.
Yes, but blood
Bravo.
can still circulate the brain for but the brain can still be on. Can still show your past memories, or not,
But
how do
there is
I?
no circulation of blood.
Yes, but
Exactly.
the
Yes,
brain
the heart that
and
make the
nails
circulation, not the
and
brain.
hair need for example days to grow. So it's not about hours.
Ah.
So that's why I think
But
it's not logic.
before the body decays, the brain will be available for a temporary time of 7 minutes to replay your lifetime.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And my point is, the nails and hair do need blood circulation, but they have the same condition or the same aspect of why the brain can still work.
Mm-hmm.
They
All cells after death all cells كمان are that
But not
all
all.
cells all cells
Not
at
all. I think not all of the.
Strong ones, like for example, maybe the ones in some systems take longer to die off than others.
Mhm. Mhm.
So that's why your brain and hair and nails can grow or replay your lifetime in a temporary amount of time.
Amazing. I love that.
I don't think
Yeah.
that they can grow, but maybe they will need more time to change or
To vanish,
yes,
to
yes,
decay,
don't
yes,
or maybe decay.
yeah, yes.
Yes, I think
I
yes,
think
you're
some
right.
because
of
when we
human
die, our heart stops.
some
So
of
how will it
human
stop and
organs.
still block
Mhm.
circulation? But it won't disappear at the same time. It
Mhm.
will need time, like Hannah said.
Mhm. Mhm.
Everything will disappear at its own time. Like for example, the body needs time to decay completely.
What did you say, Rashid? Like, for example?
Like the body needs to everything will decay at its own pace.
Yes. Okay. Mhm. Thank you so much, guys. Now I think we have to discuss statement number 7, which is saying birds are bird-brained and stupid.
What does bird
Not
brain
all types
mean?
of birds.
If you want to say
What
this
does
person, Rashid, both of them have the same meaning. Bird-brained
yeah,
means stupid.
but
stupid.
the
مثل ما
brain
بنقول
is
مثل ما
more
بنقول
sophisticated
بالعربي إنه عنده عقل عصفور أو شيء.
Yeah, they have the same meaning. If you want
عقله
me to
صغير يعني عقد العصفور عقله صغير
yes.
هيك قصده.
By the way, let me try to translate it just to make sure that
But
approximately
for
they have.
bird brain is a more sophisticated meaning.
Yes, but here we used a hyphen.
Oh, it's
This is a
hyphenated, so it's
noun,
a
exactly, a
complete
noun with adjective.
compound.
Bird
Doctor, I have
brain person.
just one small question before we continue.
Mm. What is it?
The first 10 by the first minutes from the first 10 minutes.
What
Stupid.
are you?
Stupid.
Yeah, exactly. Approximately,
meaning.
yes. They have. See dictionary. If you want me to check the dictionary, you notice approximately they have the same meaning. I
Doctor,
don't
I have
have.
just one small question before we
Yes.
continue.
Yes, Rashid.
Did I miss anything by the time I entered?
If you didn't attend the last class, I think yes, because we explained.
The last class I have missed a lot but this session, because I
Yes.
entered in the first 10 minutes, after the first 10 minutes.
No.
Did I miss anything
No.
crucial in these first 10 minutes?
I think only you missed discussing statement number 1, which is about hurricanes always have ladies' names. And maybe
But
the
what
third
about
one.
what about sentence number 1? Lightning never strikes the same place.
Hurricanes. Yes, we discussed this statement. If you want to try to give or add a comment, you can do it concerning
For the
this
first
statement.
sentence,
Huh?
for which sentence I would like to add a comment.
Number 2 and 3. What do you think about 2? Hurricanes always have ladies' names. Do you agree or disagree?
It is not because of ladies' names. It depends on the strength and it depends on the category they are, on the category they are.
Have you ever heard a hurricane which has the name of maybe a man, for example?
No,
So
but
we
I think
notice.
yes, we notice that many hurricanes have ladies' names or women or feminine names.
Mhm.
But from my side, I think as a speculation, it might be because of their strength. Like hurricanes are divided into five categories,
Let
depending on
me
their
say,
strength
oh, yes, but we
or
notice
their
that
description.
hurricane is, yes. Uh-huh. Hmm.
So the feminine names could be like a secret code or a code or could be a secret code name for for determining the category or destruction power of this hurricane.
Can you give me an example? Do you mean that if the name is long or maybe
Depends on the
short?
name they give it. It depends on the name they give it.
Mm. It
Like
depends on the name.
for example, Hurricane Katrina. That is
Mhm.
one of many hurricanes.
So,
Maybe
or
maybe the name Katrina and Hurricane Katrina could mean that it is a very strong hurricane, or it could maybe mean something else that is just speculation, and it could be totally false.
amazing. Good point. Okay,
Yeah.
but Rashid, what do you think about the three? Women have a higher pain threshold than men.
Um, I think that could be totally false or totally true at the same time.
How? How could
For
it? How could it?
example, a man getting kicked in his testicles is equal to 9,000 pain units, which is equal. A man getting kicked in his testicles, for example, is equal to 9,000 pain units,
Mhm.
which is equal to a woman giving birth to 160 babies at the same time. You could Google it and see for
It's a
yourself.
study.
It's
Amazing.
a study and a fact.
Yes, I loved that. Thank you for this new information. At least I
Yes,
can argue now. Okay, so I
yes,
think these are the two statements you missed, Rashid,
yes.
and I think that you have been here when I said or when we discussed the sea
Yes,
is blue because it
yes.
reflects the
And I gave
sky.
some opinion.
Yes, thank you so much. So I think now you are with us. And
Yes,
7 again is saying birds are bird-brained, fool, and stupid. Do you agree or disagree?
it depends on where it is coming from.
A
Because
place.
birds are not stupid. They just each species of bird has a way of thinking and role in its environment and in nature.
It has its own intelligence.
Yes,
Ev-
it has its own level of
yes,
intelligence, and it has a
yes.
very
Every
important role. Each species of bird has an important role.
all
Okay, not all of them.
all sorts of being
Yes.
from human
Yes,
or animal
every
or
being
Species.
has an
it
important
has
role, and every being has its level of thinking, levels of self-control, and levels of intelligence.
Bravo, amazing. I loved it. Yes, this is really good. Okay, now what do you think about 8? No two snowflakes are the same.
No two snowflakes are the same.
snowflakes are the same.
Maybe the snowflake is like this, maybe I'm not sure. But if you want to
Yes.
see the
They have
snowflake
very
at the
elaborate shapes. They have
microscope,
very elaborate
yes,
shapes.
maybe it will be like this. Again, maybe
I
I'm not
can
right.
Are good in
And out
drawing.
of
Just like
hundreds of
this.
snowflakes, none of them are the same shape.
None
I
of them
don't
are
know.
the
I don't
same?
think.
I don't think so.
I think it is very rare for two snowflakes to be the same shape.
It's rare, but it's not impossible. Like he said, no two snowflakes are the same.
It is extremely rare.
Okay, that is it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, but hundreds of millions to make some snow, big amount of snow. So of course we can find do the same shape.
Identical. Yes.
But maybe it's not the same size.
Maybe not the same size. Maybe there is a
Mm.
slight difference. This is what you meant,
Doctor, I
at
just
least.
checked it on Google. Just check
Mm.
the site of Google.
What did you
And
find?
they
Yes.
said it is practically impossible for two snowflakes. It's virtually impossible because at a microscopic level, all snowflakes would be different because of the different climates and the coldness of each country.
Amazing.
It depends on the weather and the climate.
Good information to know.
For
Yeah.
example, a snowflake from Canada could be different, could have a different shape from a snowflake in the UK, in the United Kingdom, for example.
Good point. Amazing.
Yeah, it's correct
Okay.
because I
Yeah.
just checked it too on Google, and there's a picture with a lot of snowflake shapes, more than 15 shape, and they say it changed after atmospheric conditions, like Rashid said.
15 different shapes, Ali. None of them are
There's
really
more,
identical.
but I think in the picture there's only 15.
Okay. Amazing. Okay, what do you think about the final one? Bats are blind.
That
Yes,
is
it's
true.
true.
It's
How?
true.
Often
It's true,
heard
they
this.
take from what they hear.